Abajocherwa aba okuruga omu ihanga rya Israel na Belgium ninga bete ex-hostages okutaya kwabo muri Kampala Uganda nokwija obwanyuma y'esande nke zihingwire abandi bagenyi babo bahereze kutayira ihanga eri aba barambura kandi bareba entunguka eriho nekorwa n'okw'abantu barikutwaza n'okugaruza busi omukago ahagati ya Uganda n'ihanga rya Israel hamwe n'erya Belgium.
מלך חוזר ומשיח מגן ברוך אתה אדוני מגן אברהם אתה הגיבור למד מלחמת יום המשיח מורידתה מחכה לך נכס מלחמת רחמים סומך נופלים רופא חולים אסורים מקיים נתוני שני עפר.
And of course, without much emphasis, Uganda and Israel enjoy strong relations, the two governments, but also the people. For me, being a military person, all my time, since I joined the UPDF, I've worked with Israelis. They've been my trainers, and we've sent our officers and men to train in Israel. But we have also been cooperating with Israel in many other fields, including agriculture and technology and other areas of expertise.
Director w'ebyokwerinda n'enshonga z'abantu omu mahega Uganda People's Defence Forces Kano Chris Magezi yagamba aha kikorwa ky'okuhamba n'okurundanira abantu omu mwanya gumwe ekyabiireho omu mwaka gwa 2016 ekiyagira ngu kikaba kiri ekikorwa ky'obujahambuki ekyabiire kigendereire okugwisa kuba abantu ababiri batiine rubanja kandi ekitiine kugaruka kubaho.
Israelis rightfully have learned that lesson and they are very resilient in terms of fighting for themselves. So in that regard, we share our solidarity with the people of Israel. We commend the people of Israel for the lasting endurance they have built over generations and what they have been able to achieve over the years, including ensuring their own survival.
Ogu yagira ngu nobo kuhamba abantu kwakozerwe ekikwekweto ky'okubacungura kikahwera kihango omu kugaruzaho omukago hagati ya Uganda n'ihanga rya Israel.
A lesson that the forces of evil can never triumph over the forces of righteousness, but it also marked a turning point in our relationship with Israel, Uganda-Israel relations, because since that time our relations have only grown stronger and more enduring. We share a lot with Israel, military technical cooperation, intelligence sharing. We are also involved in other civilian areas of cooperation, in agriculture, in information communication technology systems, and generally the global fight against terror and the forces of evil. And of course, as Uganda, we also have a lot to learn from Israel. They are a small country in a very volatile part of the Middle East, but they have stood their ground very firm, defended their country and their interests.
Kano Magezi yasima abantu aba babiri bakwasirwe abo kugaruka mu Uganda no bahabiri haruho amakuru g'embushikane ngo haruho Ebola obwagumize ngo Uganda teine mu rwire no mu Ebola bitu yashaba abantu kuguma bari aberinzi.
Nayenga twagala kwebaza abana abazze wade tuli mu mbeere eno naddala obulwadde bw'Ebola buli e Congo. Ensi zanjawulo zibadde ziyishinze travel advisories nti abantu tebajja wano abantu baabwe naye nga bwe mulaba wano tetulina Ebola ndowooza kati tugenda kumpi ennaku 20 nga tewali keesi ndala yonna y'Ebola eyayesitalinze naye nga tukimanya ensonga y'Ebola ekyaliwo naddala mbanemba bafa ba Congo tugezaako bayamba naye n'olaba nti beevuddemu ne bajja kintu kikulu kiraga nti abagenyi tukyabaaniriza era basobola kujja ne bakyalira eggwanga lyaffe Uganda.
ogu hona yahamya ngu Uganda neija kugumiza meru kwikiriza ex-hostages aba n'abeeka zaabo okutahira Uganda nk'omuringo gumwe gw'okwijuka ekyabiireho omu mwaka gwa 1976
neno mu bitundu by'abantu ba bulijjo nga okusoma, education, ebintu by'obulimi nga agriculture, technological cooperation, ICT, intelligence sharing n'ebirala. So enkolagana yaffe nywevu era egenda maaso n'okukula era abantu abo babeera bajja wano kyeyongera bweyongeza okunyweza omukwano gwaffe wakati Uganda ne Israel.
Omubaje nyabija haba harimu Gilbert Whale owiije mu Uganda bwanyuma y'emyaka 50 ahamberwe ahabwa eby'obutegeki ebyabiire nibyerariikiriza obwire obwo kandi ogu yabashagatirwa batabano babiri n'abijukuru n'abandi ba ex-hostages abarikuhika 30 abarikuruga omu ihanga ryabo Yudaya na Buberigi.
בגדיו הכהן ורחץ בשרו במים ואחר יבוא אל המחנה וטמא הכהן עד הערב השורף אותה יכבס בגדיו במים ורחץ בשרו במים וטמא עד הערב ואסף אשתו.
Bon, one from the stories was hot at night. I take out my the shoes to go to sleep, and I put it off the side. An Israeli come, I have no time to take my shoes. Maybe I can find it today.
It's in the market.
Yeah. So the funny thing was that Mr. Wall approached. He says, "I want to find my shoes in Uganda." So that's why the story of
A very good friend when he arrived in Israel, a very good customer, a good friend, took off his shoes and gave him.
It was very hot, the piste, the plane. In the plane was Hercules, the floor was in metal, was cold, and we go to the piste in Israel with hot. It was very. I made a dance to somebody take his shoes. He take it.
Weyiri nagira ngo kwije mu Uganda n'umuringo gumwe gwo kwijuka obwire obwo babiri bari mu Uganda no kwijuka omukazi wo wafire nangwa no kwijuka abo bona bafire mu kikwekwete cyo kubacungura obwire obwo.
One time I asked, and the terrorist, the woman, she was terrible because she. And when I go, I ask, I can go. Yes, she go with a shot. I want to go back, but I cannot go back. Bon, but now Hashem, I go.
I think you should. Vous pouvez dire de l'eau avec les moustiques et tout ça. Parce que ça, c'était
Yes, it's not the same as today. We don't have water. What we do with water, we bring a big container with water. But we are here. It was all the windows were open. All the moustiques go inside the water.
Yasima Uganda abo kubakiraje kandi ngwabira tarukurota na rubato mu Uganda ahabo kugira ngo nense nungi eine byo kurya birungi na munonge bitoke ebyahereruka kuri yo mwaka gwa 1976 obiyabira cyambirwa muri Entebbe.
Thank you, Hashem. Thank you, Hashem.
It was a difficult week. I eat kosher. I cannot eat. Everybody receive a plate with eating. I don't eat. I put it off the side. 1 minute later, was not there anymore. What I eat bread with bananas. Yes, it's 50 years I don't eat bananas from these 50 years. Maybe today I receive one to try.
we should give praise that other Israeli have also been here, come here to commemorate. And we are also grateful for the community of Jewish people living here in Kampala. Grateful for you to have come here for such a very emotional and important moment in the lives of many. Not only those ones who have experienced it, but I think also others who know that historical fact was the biggest terrorist operation that the commandos have liberated the hostages. So it is something that is very historical.
Okusyana hati order tamino har Entebbe ekumirwa nk'ekiikizo cyo kwimusya ebiteekateeko by'obwoba okuferwa n'okucungura abantu obutitwa ebyakozerwa omu mwanya ogu kandi ekikwekweta ekikandiikwa omu byafaayo kikibayo na hati nibakishomaho. Gasha kwa Damba Tadeo.